Hey, what's going on, customers? Before we start this video, I'd like to say thank you to all those who are following and taking the time out to view these videos that we post. Alright, let's get into this video. But I wanted to do was try a new color that I seen previously on the car. Someone made a post, so I wanted to duplicate it, see what I can do with it. First off, I started off with Fierce Pink. You can get this here at dipyourcar.com. They have everything you need, people. Everything. Thank you, dipyourcar.com, by the way. Alright, I laced the speed shape with Fierce Pink. Now I'm about to come over with the pearl that I seen to try to match the color that I did, I saw on the post. So stay tuned so you can see this outcome of this new video that I'm about to do. Thank you for watching. Now, we finally mixed our pearls and we're ready to show you to get your decision on whether you like it or not. And this is what we came out with. This here is a Fierce Pink placed with a blue interference pearl, all where you can order from dipyourcar.com. Came out pretty nice. I like it. I don't know about you, but I like it. I'm a fan of this. Alright, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you. See you in the next video.